It seems your iPhone is running out of storage and looking for a way to free up some space to make your device run smoothly. There are junk files, such as app caches, documents, cookies, app temp files, app crash logs, photo caches, download temp files, user storage files, etc. That takes up most of the storage space on the device when your iPhone has a lot of apps. To free up space on your iPhone, we will share the easy and effective way you can try. There's a common way to clear app data on your iPhone through settings. Several apps on iPhone have a cache feature that lets you remove collected caches and files. However, some apps don't offer the cache option. So you must go to the Settings app on your iPhone to manage app data and storage space. However, if this does not apply to you, we introduce the tool iSysFT iPhone Cleaner. It is specially made to clear app data, unimportant caches, documents, and other unwanted data on iOS devices. This tool lets you quickly clear app data and manage various iOS files on your iPhone. To get this tool, visit our page, iSysFT.com, or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to clean app data on your iPhone. Launch your downloaded tool, then connect your iPhone to your computer. On your iPhone screen, tap Trust when a pop-up message appears. Once the iPhone has trusted the computer, you will see the storage information of your device. If you want to check more details, click the More Info option. If done, click the Quick Scan button to scan all the data that fills your storage. Click Free Up Space on the left panel for 4 data clearing options. Select Erase Junk Files, and then choose to clean up the image cache, iTunes cache, invalid files, temporary files, or crash log files. And if you want to clear app data and caches on your iOS device, you can also choose the Uninstall Applications option. Just scroll down to locate the app you aim to clear its data and click the Uninstall button. As simple and easy as that, your iPhone will now have space on storage. It is frustrating to find out that your iPhone has full storage, which causes slow function on your device. Fortunately, iPhone Cleaner has many useful features to manage various data on iPhone, remove useless apps, and protect your privacy. So what are you waiting for? Get iSysFT iPhone Cleaner now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel iSysFT. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.